Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara. Today I am going to show you how to create this adorable crochet cat keychain. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this fun and easy project is perfect for you. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this project we are going to use 4-ply yarn, 4.5 mm hook, a needle, a scissor and some little white yarn. Let's get started by making a slip knot. Insert the hook into the loop and make total of 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now work slip stitches. Skip this chain and slip stitch into the second chain from the hook and work total of 7 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is the tail of the cat. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the chain. Pull up the loop. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the triple crochet. Yarn over twice and work total of 3 triple crochets in each chain. Now yarn over twice, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Now we had made total of 3 triple crochets. Now in next 2 chains work 1 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work single crochet in the next chain. Now slip stitch into the last chain. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now work 3 double crochet into the same chain. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the now again 2 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2. Double crochets, again chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch into the next space you find easily. Now 3 double crochet into the same, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the space and make a slip stitch. Reverse the stitches. Single crochet into the single crochet on the top of single crochet. Now double crochet into next 2 chains, triple crochet in next 3, simultaneously hide the tail. Now yarn over twice, triple crochet on the top of triple crochet, now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now for the back side of the cat, make a slip knot and make total of 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Total of 10 chains and work a triple crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now yarn over twice. Work the same pattern, but we don't have to make a tail in this back side of the cat. Now yarn over twice. Work total of 3 triple crochets in the first 3 chains. Now work 2 double crochet in next 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now work a single crochet and slip stitch into the last chain. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 8 double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and slip stitch into the same space. Now reverse the stitches. Single crochet, double crochet, again double crochet, triple crochet, yarn over twice, double crochet, again yarn over twice, double crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch. Now this is the back side of the cat. Now we have to sew this back side at the back side of this cat. Just take the wrong side and wrong side facing each other. Now you can use a weaving needle. You can also attach the sew the cat using slip stitch. Insert the chain 3 and chain 3 of this end. Now work in the parallel stitches. Insert the triple crochet of this and triple crochet of this stitch and slip stitch. Now work total of 36 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now slip stitch into the next stitch and continuing slip stitches all around the cat. Now hide the tails using weaving needle. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making your own crochet cat keychain. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Share your creations in the comments below or tag me on Instagram at @crochet with Zara. See you in the next video.